Good morning, students. Class 5, English. Unit 2. The name of the lesson is Karate Kitten. Children, this lesson is about a kitten who performs karate. Children, what is a kitten? The young ones of a cat is called as a kitten. Children, let's listen what this karate kitten had done one day. Children, look at the picture on the screen and answer the following questions. What shop do you see here? Answer is, here we see a pet shop where pet animals are sold. Next question, children. What do you think the woman and the child have come to the pet shop for? They have come to buy a pet. Third question. Should animals be kept in cages like these? Why? No, animals should not be kept in cages because they enjoy moving freely. They enjoy freedom. Children, I'll tell you little more about Rohit and his pet. Listen carefully. Kiran heard a shout. Kiran, Kiran. Oh, Rohit, why are you late today? Kiran ran towards Rohit. I am about to go home. Come on, let's play for a while and then go. I'm sorry, Kiran. I'm not interested in playing now, said Rohit. Why? What happened to you? Are you all right? I'm all right, Kiran, but my father. What happened to your father? He got an injury on his head today, said Rohit. The summary, children, the summary of this para. Listen carefully. Once there were two best friends named Kiran and Rohit. Every day, evening, after school, they used to go to the nearby park to play. One day, as usual, Kiran was playing in the park. He heard someone calling his name and he turned to see who it was. It was Rohit. Kiran ran to Rohit and asked the reason for his late coming and told Rohit to join the play. To this, Rohit said he did not want to play and told that his daddy got an injury on his head. Has he met with an accident? Exclaimed Kiran. No, it's not an accident. It's only an incident, replied Rohit. Our new pet kitten is the cause. What? A kitten is the cause of the injury? Yes, it's a long story. Tell me quickly. It's already late. No, I'll tell you tomorrow. I should go home. My father may be waiting for me. All right, bye Rohit, bye Kiran. Both of them left the park. And the summary is Kiran wanted to know about Rohit's father's injury. Then Rohit said it was a long story and his new pet kitten had done it. As they were already late, Rohit said that he would tell the story the next day. So saying, Both left the park. Next, children, look at the questions on the screen and try to answer. First question, why is Rohit not interested in playing now? And the answer is Rohit's father got an injury on his head. So Rohit is not interested in playing now. Second question, how was the kitten responsible for the injury of Rohit's father? And the answer is the kitten might have jumped onto the head of Rohit's father and injured him. Now, children, reading. Listen carefully. Karate Kitten. When Rohit was 9, his family lived in a small town. His father, Raja Rao, was a clerk in Rao and Rao Company. Janaki, Rohit's mother, was a homemaker, a housewife. Children, she used to be alone in the daytime when Rohit was at school and Raja Rao in his office. She wanted to have a pet. She asked Rohit's father several times for a pet. Rohit also supported his mother. And the summary is Rohit was a 9-year-old boy. His father, Raja Rao, was a clerk, and his mother, Janaki, was a housewife. When Rohit was at school and Raja Rao in his office, Janaki used to feel lonely at home. So she wanted to have a pet. Janaki and Rohit asked Raja Rao several times. Many days passed, but Raja Rao did not bring home any pet. Janaki said to herself, I should get a pet on my own. One morning, Janaki and Rohit went to a pet shop on Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower. The pleasant shopkeeper welcomed them. Janaki explained her problem to the shopkeeper. And the summary is, many days passed. Raja Rao did not bring home any pet. One day, Rohit and his mother went to a pet shop on Mahatma Gandhi Road near the clock tower to buy a pet. The pleasant, the attractive shopkeeper received them in a pleasing manner. Children, look at questions in the box and try to answer. Why did Janaki decide to have a pet? And the answer is Janaki decided to have a pet because she felt alone. With Janaki, go to the pet shop with Rohit. Answer, Janaki went to the pet shop with Rohit to buy a pet. Next, the young shopkeeper advised Janaki to buy a pet. Buy a kitten because it is special. What is special about the kitten? Simply asked. And the summary is, the shopkeeper advised Janaki to buy a special kitten. And Janaki asked, what was the speciality of that kitten? Next. It's a karate kitten trained in Japan Madam, it's the only karate kitten in India. What does it do? Rohit asked curiously, meaning eagerly. Karate, said the shopkeeper. It will give you a lot of entertainment. The meaning of the word entertainment is enjoyment or recreation. Karate! Rohit and his mother shouted at once. The summary is the shopkeeper told that it was a karate kitten, it knew karate and it was trained in Japan and it would give them a lot of enjoyment. Karate! Shouted Rohit and his mother at once. The shopkeeper placed an old chair in the middle of the shop. Then he brought a little kitten. It was white and cute. And he said, "Kitten, karate chair." The kitten jumped onto the chair with vigor, with full energy, children. In a matter of seconds, the kitten broke the chair into pieces. Wow! Rohit jumped with joy. What a wonderful kitten! Janaki paid for the kitten. Rohit and his mother left for their house. And the summary is, when he said, "Kitten, karate chair," the kitten jumped on the chair with full energy and broke it into pieces. They paid the money for the wonderful kitten and took it home. Children, look at the questions in the box. Have you ever seen such a kitten? How is it different from other kittens? And the answer is no. I haven't seen such a kitten. It is different from other kittens because it knows karate or it performs karate or it does karate. Second question, what would Rohit and his mother do after they brought the kitten home? Rohit and his mother would place useless things in front of the kitten and ask the karate kitten to break them. Next, when they reached home, they made karate kitten smash, break old boxes, crockery. The meaning of the word crockery is cups, plates and dishes, etc. and other useless articles. Rohit was very excited and waiting for his father. He was curious to tell him about the karate kitten. And the summary is, children, after reaching home, they brought old boxes, plates, cups, dishes, and other useless things. And karate kitten broke them all. Rohit was very happy and was eagerly waiting for his father to come. Next, Rohit was happy and started singing a song. Children, I'm not good at singing songs like you all, so I'll just read it out. Listen. Karate kitten jumps here and there, beating things everywhere. Karate kitten pounces here and there. Pounces, mean of the word pounces is jumps. Kicking things everywhere. Karate kitten hops here and there. Crushing things everywhere. Karate kitten stamps here and there. Smashing things everywhere. Then next, when Raja Rao came home in the evening, Rohit and Janaki were playing with the Karate Kitten. The hall was filled with broken wooden pieces and crockery. He was annoyed, very angry. He was very angry and shouted, "What's going on here?" "Karate practice, Daddy," said Rohit. "Karate practice? Who is that karate master?" Janaki showed the little kitten to her husband. "We bought this karate kitten this morning. It's a new pet now," Rohit said proudly. And the summary is, when Rajarao came home, he saw the hall was filled with broken wooden pieces and crockery. Rajarao was very angry and shouted when he knew that all the things were broken by the karate kitten while it was performing karate. "Karate Kitten!" Raja Rao screamed in anger and disbelief. In doubt, the meaning of the word disbelief is doubt. "Yes, dear, it's a new pet," Janaki said softly. "Kitten, karate my head," Raja Rao shouted. When the karate kitten heard this, it attacked Raja Rao's head. "Oh, my head!" He put his head on his bald head. The meaning of the word bald head is a person who is bald, headless, as an egg. Janaki and Rohit burst into laughter. And the summary is, when Raja Rao shouted, "Kitten, karate, my head!" the karate kitten attacked Raja Rao with full energy and injured his head. Both Janaki and Rohit laughed at him. With this, we end up today's class. Thank you. Have a great day.